So, good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the another session of current affairs. So, let's begin. So, the first question: who has been awarded the CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award? The right answer is Narendra Modi. Now, coming to question number two: where is the headquarter of UNEP, United Nations Environment Program? The right answer is Nairobi of Kenya. Now, coming to question number three: who has been roped by Levi's as its global brand ambassador? The right option is Deepika Padukone. Now, coming to question number four: which state or union territory has topped the medals tally in the second edition of Khelo India Winter National Games? The right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Now, coming to question number five: India has attracted total FDI foreign direct investment inflow of dash during April to December 2020. The right answer is $67.54 billion. Question number six: who is the most followed sports person on Instagram with 265 million followers? The right answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. Very important. Now, coming to question number seven: Kotak Mahindra Bank was founded in which year? The right option is, or the right answer is 2003. Now, question number eight: which state has been ranked as top performers in digitalization of land records by the National Council of Applied Economic Research? NCAER, National Council of Applied Economic Research. The right option is Madhya Pradesh. Now, question number nine: who has inaugurated a state of art center for drone research at IIT Roorkee? The right answer is B.K. Saraswat. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of International Boxing Association? The right answer is Mary Kom. Question number 11: where is the headquarter of International Boxing Association IBA? The right answer is Lausanne of Switzerland. Question number 12: which state government has launched Gharo Ki Pehchan Chelik Naam? That means daughter's name is a home's identity program that has been launched by which state government? The right option is Uttarakhand. Question number 13: World Hearing Day is observed on which day? The right answer is 3rd of March. Question number 14: where is the headquarter of Axis Bank? The right answer is Mumbai, option C. National Safety Day is observed on which day? The right option is, or the right answer is 4th of March. Question number 16: World Wildlife Day is observed on which day? The right option is, or the right answer is 3rd of March. Question number 17: who has been appointed as the CEO of Sansad TV? Sansad TV is a now it's the collaboration of Lok Sabha TV and the Rajya Sabha TV. Now it is called the Sansad TV. The CEO of Sansad TV is Rabi Kapoor. Now coming to question number 18: with which bank SBI General Insurance has signed Banca Assurance Agreement? The right option is, or the right answer is Indian Overseas Bank, IOB. Now question number 19: who took over as Principal Director General of PIB, Press Information Bureau? The right answer is Jaideep Bhatnagar. Question number 20: who has been appointed chairman of CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes? The right answer is Pramod Chandra Modi. Now question number 21: what is the theme of National Science Day 2021? The right answer is Future of STI, Impacts on Education, Skill and Work. Question number 22: who has been appointed as the Managing Director and the CEO of Central Bank of India? Right answer is Matam Venkat Rao. Question number 23: Zero Discrimination Day is celebrated every year on which day? The right answer is 1st of March. Question number 24. Hyundai Motors belongs to which country? It is the origin of which country? The right answer is option D, South Korea. Question number 25. DRDO's surveillance satellite has been deployed in space and will help to monitor Indian Ocean region. What is that name of that satellite? The right answer is Sindhu Netra. So this is all about the current affairs of this week. So I hope you have enjoyed. So if you are finding it interesting, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks.